Come on in, go. Yeah. Take it. Yeah. Woo! Woo! I'm on him. Yep, take him. Woo!
We just put the new Gunwerks long-range rifle to work on this stand. Called in 4 coyotes, killed 2, hit a 3rd one, pretty sure we'll find her. And I shot bad and missed that 4th one. That 4th one was just under 600 yards, but that was a phenomenal stand. This gun is unbelievable. We're gonna go get those coyotes. Well guys, it's the 4th of February. We're out calling coyotes in Montana today. And what a phenomenal stand we just had. We called in, I saw 4, the cameraman saw 5. We called in 5 coyotes and I killed 3 of them and the 4th one got away. So as much as I would like to tell you that I never miss, that's not the case. You just saw it on film firsthand. So it's a hard pill to swallow. I'd love to have 4 coyotes laying here, but 3 coyotes from that stand is awesome and we're very excited about it. We also wanted to just share a quick tip with you from this stand. It's early February, it's late in the season, these coyotes have been called, and we used coyote vocalizations to bring these coyotes in. We used very little distress. Used a combination of male and female interrogation howls to bring that first coyote in, and then these other coyotes responded not only to those vocalizations but to the ki-eyes in between shots. So, you know, just something for you guys to think about late in the year like this. You know, leave that rabbit call at home, mix it up. They're territorial, they're breeding, you know, they're paired up right now. And so use those vocalization sounds. If you are using distress sounds, use something I haven't heard before. You know, use some bird distress or some fox pup distress or something like that. But we're actually calling a piece of state land right adjacent to the county road. And so there's no question this stand's been called this year, and to go in here and have 5 coyotes come to the call like that is pretty phenomenal. And so it just goes to show you that those coyote vocalizations this time of year will work.